Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 update error, that is 0xC190012E. So if you are receiving this error message while updating Windows 10, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to go to this location. So open File Explorer and then go to this PC, open C drive and then open the users folder. Then open your username folder. Now open the app data folder. So here you can see app data. So in your case, if you don't find app data, go to view and then put a check on the box which says hidden item. So if I uncheck this, I cannot see app data. If I check this, here I can see app data. So open app data. Then after that, open the local folder and now open Microsoft folder. Then open the Windows folder. Now over here you can see WSUS folder. Open this folder and you have to go ahead and delete the setupconfig.ini file. So before you delete it, just make a right click and copy this and just paste it on the desktop just to create a backup. And after that you can go ahead and make a right click, then click on delete. Now after you delete the file, you can go ahead and restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10. That should go ahead and fix this error message. Now still you're facing the problem. In that case, you can go ahead and run the update troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings, go to update and security and then click on troubleshoot, click on additional troubleshooter, click on Windows update and then click on run the troubleshooter. And once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10. The next step is to run DISM and SFC command. For this, open CMD in Windows search box. So just type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow and then copy the first command over here, paste it over here and then hit the enter key. And once this scan is 100% complete, run the second scan. So let this scan complete, and once this is 100% complete, again run the second command. So you can open CMD once again, make a right click, then click on run as administrator and then copy this second command, paste it over here. And once this scan is 100% complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10 once again, and that error message should go away. Now still you are receiving the error message. In that case, restart Windows Update Services. For this, type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Scroll down and find Windows Update. So make a double click on Windows Update and then make sure startup type is set to automatic and then click on apply. Now if start is highlighted, click on start and then click on OK. With Windows Update selected over here, click on restart. And once the restart is done, try to update your Windows 10 once again. The next step is to use media creation tool. So in case nothing is working, you can go ahead and update your Windows 10 using media creation tool. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser, scroll down and over here you can see media creation tool. Click on download tool now, and once the download is complete, run the exe file and then you will see this screen. Agree to the terms. So click on accept. And by default, upgrade this PC now would be selected. So click on next. It will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take time. Now once the download is complete, you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. Now when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So do not make any changes. Let this be checked and then click on install. And after the installation, restart your computer, log into your computer and then update your Windows 10. This error should go away. So one of the steps should definitely help you to update your Windows 10 without any issue. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.